This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Air filter replacement. Open the door and pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards and support it with the prop rod. Unscrew the air filter housing cover retaining bolts, then lift off the cover. Remove the air filter element by disengaging the rear, then disconnecting the front of the element from the intake tube. Clean out any debris remaining in the air filter housing and cover. Install the filter element, making sure the opening fits completely onto the intake tube and the tab on the backside of the element engages with the slot at the bottom of the housing. Install the air filter cover and tighten the retaining screws securely.